Teachers' Day is just a few days away, so let's make a beautiful gift for our favorite teachers. Making this gift is super simple and you can make plenty of them. You need just color paper, double-sided tape, pen to gift, marker, black pen and a whitener to decorate. First take the square piece, fold it into half and draw a design as shown. Cut along the outline and draw a design as shown. And highlight it using marker and again black pen. Add dots using whitener or you can also use white paint. Complete the design on the other side. You can see how cute and beautiful this is now looking. Next take the small piece and write Happy Teachers Day. You can decorate it as you wish. Here I have just made a smiley and a dotted border. Take the double-sided tape, cut it and stick it to the paper as shown. Place the butterfly cutout with the pen and stick it. Finally glue the last piece. And cut a wavy design at the bottom. Draw a dotted line around the border. And our easy and cute gift for our favorite teacher is ready. In the same way you can make many more for all your favorite teachers. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more Teachers Day related videos very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.